The Bones Lamb St. Jolly is produced for Christmas 2023. Merry Christmas! I have rosemary garlic lamb shank and I have to defrozen it. Yeah, you can see the bone sticking out on the top. First, I have to prepare the onion. Cut it up and chop it up. Heat up the frying oil in the frying pan. Then pour down the cut up onion. We're going to make caramelized onion. It's starting to be caramelized already. Caramelized onion will give delicious taste on the meat. There, like that. Don't burn it. Turn off the stove. Now take the sweet red wine out. We're going to use it. Put the lamb shanks on the pan. Pour the whole bottle of the red wine all over the shanks. Next, put all the caramelized onion on the top of the lamb shanks. Just like that. Then shake black pepper all over it for spiciness. Don't forget salt. Cover it with foil paper so it won't get burned. Bake it on the 350-degree Fahrenheit oven. Half-hour later, take it out. Flip the meat over. Then put it back in the oven for another half hour. Meanwhile, let's cook the broccoli. Don't forget to season it with salt. Then boil it with enough water. Let it boil for 5 minutes and take it out. Drain the water right away. Put it in the bowl so it won't get mushy. Now let's boil the sweet corn. Don't forget to season it with salt. Let it boil for about 10 minutes. After the half hour is done, take the lamb shanks out. Put them in a baking pan. Put the liquid into a small pot. We're going to make sauce later. Put half sticks of butter into a bowl. Then melt it in the microwave. Now, brush the lamb shanks with butter all over. Then turn it around. Brush the other side with butter all over too. Then cover them with foil paper so they won't get burned. Then put it back into the oven for 2 hours. Then use 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Put it about 1/3 of cup of water, and we're going to make this sauce thicken. The sauce is from the liquid from the lamb shank. The cornstarch will thicken the sauce. When it's boiling like that, you can turn off the stove. I have leftover taros from my previous video, and I'm going to use it for support for the lamb shank. The lamb shanks are cooked nicely now. I need one of the lamb shanks stand over the taro. So this is my food sculpture. I use bamboo sticks to secure the lamb shanks into the taro. There, I think it's pretty secure now. Got to cut off the sticking out sticks. Using the food coloring green color, I want to paint the base. Because it's Christmas time, so I wanted green color. Green is one of the colors for Christmas theme, right? Then I have to assemble the lighting into a vase as the base. There, it's working. Okay, time to do the plating now. Arrange the lighting in the vase for the base. And the lamp hang on a plate on the top of it and put some lighting around it. And the broccoli in a cup, put it on the side. And the sweet corns in a cup, put it on the side. There you go. It looks nice and festive now, like a Merry Christmas. Enjoy your festive dinner. The bones lamb Shank jolly.